Got to share some exciting news with you guys. We had a client that we just closed on a loan. She had decent credit. She had a good job. The only problem was she didn't have a down payment. It's kind of a big deal. But at Movement, we have actually rolled out a down payment assistance program. It's called Movement Boost. We closed her in less than 30 days after she had gotten turned down by another lender because she didn't fit the mold for the state-issued bond programs that everyone's commonly using. Our Movement Boost program, it's phenomenal, guys. I gotta share it with you. If you're looking at buying a home, you just don't have the 3.5% down payment. If you have a job, you have a credit score of a 620, your debt-to-income ratios need to be below a 55%, which the state-issued bond programs don't go that high. And it's not only 3.5% down payment assistance, there's another option that you can actually opt for that gives you 5% in funds. So our client came in, she'd been turned down, she didn't meet the criteria for the state-issued bond program. We set her up with our builder partner. They not only covered some of the closing costs, but they actually had some excess incentives. So we were able to buy her interest rate down into the mid sixes. And she showed up with no money, actually got a refund of her earnest money back. This is the real deal. This is not a gimmick. This is actually a loan program that you can do right now, guys. If you're interested, comment below, DM me for more information, or if you want to go ahead and apply now, super easy, fast, free, and secure. You can go to www.michaelloan.com. After completing the application, it literally takes us about 30 minutes to an hour to see if you guys qualify. We can even get you set up with some of our builder partners, who in turn will pay for additional closing costs, look at buying your interest rate down, and we've got you covered on the down payment. Again, 3.5% assistance is one option. There's another option that goes up to 5%. By the way, you don't have to be a first-time home buyer. You don't have to take special courses and classes. You don't have to wait 30 to 45 days to close. We closed her in less than 30 days. In fact, this program, it takes as long as it takes us to get the appraisal, which could be a week and a half to 2 weeks. We'll get you closed and moved into your new home. There's still a lot of great deals to be had out there with a lot of our builder partners, but I'm starting to see the intensity pick up. I'm starting to see a lot of interest. We received about 12 applications this week for our new construction builder partners. And once these applications start going up, there's more increased demand on these homes. Then the next thing that happens is these home prices start to go up. So seriously, don't get left behind. Don't let down payment, which is a big deal, get in the way of you guys purchasing your home. We're providing this program. It's not something like a state-issued bond program that runs out. It actually facilitates, just like a normal FHA loan, we're providing you the down payment. Again, it's 3.5% is one option, up to 5% in down payment assistance. The income limits are not like the bond-issued programs. We can actually exceed the state-issued income limits. We can exceed the loan amount limits. You can actually buy down your interest rate further. And typically we're seeing them be about a full % lower than the state-issued bond programs. Great program for you guys to take advantage of. Get with me soon. These home prices are going up. Don't let down payment get in the way of you guys purchasing your home. I know it sounds crazy. Buying a home and I don't have down payment, we've got the solution for you. Again, it's called Movement Boost. We have a 3.5% down payment assistance option, and we have a 5% down payment assistance option. Great programs. They're maybe within 0.125 difference on the interest rate from the 3.5 to the 5%. In fact, we have some people that we're pre-approving right now. They actually have the money for the down payment themselves. They always want to keep it in their pocket, have some reserves. It's definitely good to have some cash reserves on the sideline in case you run into some financial hardships. You guys are going to be covered with that. So don't deplete all your funds. Even if you have money for the down payment, you need to get with us. You need to look at this down payment assistance program that's proprietary to Movement Mortgage. Again, Movement Boost. Again, added benefit, we have builder partners that are more than happy to show you their brand new inventory homes while they last, because they're looking at raising their prices. The demand is increasing. We've received several applications already this week. We don't want you guys to miss out when these home prices start to spike back up again like they did in 2020, 2021, and then you guys get priced out of a home. So smart people are buying now. Smart people are taking advantage of our down payment assistance program, even when they already have the funds on hand. And smart people are looking at buying now. There's no better time than now. Builders have crazy great incentives and offers. Home prices, probably on average, 10 to 15%, they've come down from the highs that we've seen. And if it comes down 10 to 15%, like in 2020, in 2021, we saw them go up 20 to 30%. History will repeat itself. Make sure you don't miss out on this. Get with me, Movement Boost, 3.5% down payment assistance, up to 5% down payment assistance. Again, you don't have to be a first-time home buyer to take advantage of this program. Get with me soon. Love to get you guys in a home.